Hawaiian Electric's public safety power shutoff program goes into effect in 10 days. That means some leeward communities could have power shut off if conditions are prime for fires. But community leaders tell Nikki Schenfeld many people don't even know about the program.
On July 1st, HECO's Power Shutoff program launches, which could impact thousands of residents statewide.
This is really a last line of defense to protect our communities against, high-risk conditions for wildfires.
The high-risk communities are mostly leeward areas like the Waianae Coast, West Maui, and Waikoloa.
Our community is not prepared, so they gave us a general area of where these outages are going to be happening, but we got to get more specific because according to their plan, there's about 2,100 residents that are going to be without power.
DeCourt invited HECO to the neighborhood board meeting earlier this week. Several residents weren't happy to hear power could be off for potentially days and at a moment's notice.
To get our power shut off, to be at risk of possibly not being able to store our food, not to mention those that are in home hospice care. I mean, it's very much an inconvenience.
Waianae Coast Comprehensive Health Center says their ER has a generator that could be on for a few days.
We've been told, and this was the first concern, that they have the ability to leave the power on at our medical clinics.
The nonprofit LA Pio partnered with the food bank so the area could have food.
Pre-positioning some of the non-perishable foods to some of our partners along with Food Bank is going to be one of our large roles.
They're also working on driving people who depend on home medical devices out of the no power zone if needed.
What gets shut off is really going to depend on the weather conditions. We want to limit this as much as possible to minimize the impact as much as possible.
The Weather Service looks at 3 factors when issuing a red flag warning: winds 20 miles per hour or more, low humidity, and drought. The National Weather Service says they typically issue red flag warnings at the end of July, early August. But because the state received so much rain from late season storms, we're not likely to meet that threshold until late August or September. HECO says winds would have to be 45+ miles per hour to shut down power. The Weather Service says we average 5 red flag days per year.
It varies a lot, but so we only see a few days per year, and add on those strong winds, those damaging winds. Those are even more rare during the summertime.
In the last 27 years, there have been fewer than 10 summer wind events where wind speeds reached power safety shutoff criteria. Officials say people should always be prepared, as wildfires can occur at any time. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.